Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download and install the Google Chat app on your Android device. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Play Store on your phone, go to the search bar and search for Google Chat. Click on Google Chat, which you see over here, and click install, and it will be downloaded and installed in a while. If you want to know more about this app, just go ahead and tap on here, and you can know that Google Chat is an intelligent and secure communication and collaboration tool built for teams. From ad hoc messaging to topic-based workstream collaboration, Chat makes it easy to work done where the conversation is happening. Google Collaboration that allows Google Workspace content creation and sharing documents, sheets, slides without having to worry about granting permissions. So there are some features of Google Chat over here. You can go ahead and read this. So guys, this is how easy it is to download and install Google Chat on your Android device. You can do the same as well. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.